What's up guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to show battery percentage on iPhone 10 and later series models. You may notice that the Apple iPhone 10, 10R, 10s Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and iPhone 12 series model doesn't show the battery percentage in the top status bar due to the beautiful Truedepth camera. Okay, no problem, here I show you different ways to display battery level on your iPhone. Here you are watching How to Solve YouTube channel. If not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get the latest iPhone tips and tricks free. The trick number 1: show the battery level on the control center. Just pull down the screen from the top and right side of the corner so that you can see the exact battery percentage whenever you want to check. The same way you can do on the lock screen to check the battery percentage. And more, you can set sound that announces the battery percentage for watching my video given on the above video card. Another way to show battery percentage on the home screen using a battery widget. Let's see to do that. Press and hold on the screen, then tap on the plus sign that appears on the top and left side corner. Now find the battery widget from the list and click on Add Widget. You can choose different size widgets as you like. After this, you can see the battery percentage on the home screen for all time. It is easy to move if your mind wants. Furthermore, a large-sized battery widget shows the paired device's battery level to the iPhone, such as AirPods, Apple Pencil, and more devices. Additionally, Today View is also a place where you can get the device battery indicator. For that, you must have added a battery widget into Today View list. From the main home screen or first app page of the screen, just swipe to the right side from the left to access Today View list. Here see the battery level. Another way is using Siri. You can check the battery level. Just ask, "Hey Siri," or press the side button and give command, "What's my battery percentage?" So Siri will show you the battery level. And last, you can also get battery percentage when you put your phone on the wireless charging pad or connect to USB to Lightning cable. The display shows the remaining battery percentage. You can also get more about this video in the description below and the top video card. Hope you guys found this information useful. Let's give thumbs up if you have any question, then write down in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get more tips and tricks. Goodbye. Have a nice day.